Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have OnePlus 12 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. First things about you must remember is long screenshot you can take only on application where you can scroll something when you have more information than you have on the one side of screen, maybe in the settings, Google Chrome or something like this. To do that we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we press scroll, where we can stop scrolling or scroll manually, and after we add all we need we click done and we have it in our gallery right now. That's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!